that good motor.
That's my key. That's my key.
Yeah, well, it's that good motor. What's up? Today is a special day because I don't know if you can see out there, but I managed to make a deal. So today's deal I managed to make was I need to get rid of my green Mustang and I need to get all the parts swapped over to this Mustang. So today we're taking the motor out, we're taking the K member out, we're swapping K members back and forth, and then the green Mustang will go bye-bye and this one will magically be faster. That's the game plan anyway.
Size you got? 10. Bigger, small? Bigger.
Game plan here is to get all this, tubular suspension, coilovers, all that jazz out of here. We'll take the trans out and the rear out, which I'll need for a later time, just not right now, and get it all into the other Mustang. And then swap all that stuff back into this Mustang to make it a roller again, and we're doing something. Well, after a few hours and a few back and forths and everything else, we now have tubular K member and coilovers in the front. It's been a while since we've had a Mustang project update, and if you look behind me over in this area, it seems like there's a lot of stuff missing. So today we're gonna hit the road and go get my new motor.
My dad lived in Burbs. Really, he did.
Bill Hoskinson. He inspired me.
Did he really?
He really did. It inspired me to get my first pair of bib overalls. I was at Northern Tool Company not that long ago. And
sure as shit saw some hanging up on the wall. I know he wears them all the time. There's got to be something to them.
Comfort. They're very useful.
Well, I'll tell you what, I have yet to spend a day off in anything but. So, these things might as well be a big comfy blanket now.
Well, there it is. One junkyard race car motor. I got it back at the house, got it out of the bed of the truck, started taking a couple things off of it, and my impact died. And it's not a battery issue. I think it's just like the trigger died or something on me. So we're going to have to get that figured out. But I got myself some dollar store oven cleaner. I've already hit it a couple times. I'll be hitting it a few more, but I figured I haven't put out a video in a while and you guys haven't even really seen any of the front suspension stuff, so I'm going to go through what footage I've got. I might film a couple more pieces, just some more explanation of the front suspension stuff. But for now, this should be a good point to leave off, and then next video when we come back, I'll start tearing into this motor and showing you guys what we're going to do. It's going to be a very, very simple, junkyard style build. Talked to a couple of my friends, said, hey, what do you recommend? What do you recommend? I already knew some of the stuff that I was planning on doing, and it all seems to line up perfectly. So this here is I'm not sure what year it is, but it is an LM4. So I did a little bit of research, found out it came out of a Trailblazer. It's got the 4-wheel drive shit running through the oil pan. Luckily, I already have a Holley oil pan that I've had for years, so I'll throw that on. And it's aluminum block, 5.3. It might have the Gen 4 rods and pistons in it. I'm not sure. We're going to have to look. It depends on what year it was, I think, from my research. So I'll take a look at that, and we'll rock and roll. The big thing is going to be that I'm probably not going to make the power everyone else is going to make. So I need the weight savings. It's an extra 100 pounds in the block and 100 pounds off the front end. So that accounts for, I don't know, a 1/10 of a second in the quarter mile. And I need every bit of that. So there it is. Let's get this beast clean.
Denny's Road. Head east on Ladysmith Road.
What you got there?
Big Mac, no pickles.
No pickles.
I will never eat a pickle on my burger. On the side, a full-size pickle, yes. It's actually the best Big Mac I've ever had.
Is that because we've tried countless times to get food tonight?
It's like fresh. And I feel like they never put enough Big Mac sauce on it. They put enough Big Mac sauce on this one.